Hi everyone, my name is Kar Wei. This is a video for my presentation. Sit back and relax to enjoy my presentation.
So a very good afternoon to NORULBAITI and each and everyone's view. So before I proceed further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lau Kar Wei and I think medical number 2102367. And my topic for this presentation is regarding evaluators. So there are two factors that motivate me to choose this topic is based on the first one will be carbon friendly. So as aviation industry is one of the industry that contribute much to carbon emission. So according to Tenter and Kim 2022, in 2021 the industry contribute around 2% of the total carbon emission all around the world. So the second one will be land congestion. So currently one of the issues that occurring all around the world is on the road congestion, where especially during peak hours, most of the road in the city area is congested. So air mobility is one of the alternative transportation that can reduce congestion in the urban area or even city areas. So I would like to touch a little bit on what is air mobility. So air mobility is a new type of aircraft services that using eVTOL aircraft to move people and cargo in the urban or rural area. So this statement is from NASA and also NAVA 2022. So for the current trend, there are two main current trends that for around the world, which is the first one is sustainability, where currently most of the global authorities have highlighted the increasing of carbon emission, where there are few initiatives that come up with by the global authorities, such as IATA Net Carbon 2050 and also UN SDG 13 chapter, which is on the climate action. So authorities are recommending all of the stakeholders in the aviation industry to implement something to reduce the carbon emission all around the world. So the second one will be accessible and mobility. So as nowadays people are looking into services that are all about efficiency, speed, interconnectivity, and also accessibility. Where as I stated earlier, the congestion is one of the issues that people are looking into. Try to imagine if you are stuck in traffic every day. So air mobility able to reduce the congestion, especially during peak hours. So this will be another definition of advanced air mobility. So advanced air mobility is a safe, automated or piloted air transportation system for passengers and also cargo in the area that previously underserved or unserved. So advanced air mobility not only can operate in urban area, it can be used for other activities such as commercial, intercity, logistics, public services, and also private or recreational vehicles. So this stated by FAA 2022. So this will be one of the examples of advanced mobility. So the type of aircraft is vertical aerospace BX4, where this aircraft is fully electric operated, which contributes zero emission to the environment. And also this aircraft is able to generate 100 times quieter than normal helicopters, especially during helicopters operating in the city area. It can contribute noise pollution to the surroundings. So for the benefit of advanced air mobility implementation, there are two main topics for the benefits, where the function of advanced air mobility able to facilitate the implementation of advanced air mobility, where advanced air mobility is one of the new technology that haven't released yet. So for the first one is travel flexibility, where advanced air mobility able to reduce travel time and also congestion in the city area. And also, as I stated earlier, also mobility able to operate in urban or even rural areas all around the world. The second one will be environmental friendly, where zero emission, and also advanced mobility generate quieter than normal helicopters, and also for the advanced mobility is have a lesser operating cost. So there are another two articles here, where as you can see from here, UK industry set out priorities to make advanced mobility a reality. As I stated earlier, the vertical aerospace VX4 is already there. They are getting, temporary certification to conduct a test flight in order to get the certified by EASA and also FAA. Another opportunities for advanced air mobility also, advanced air mobility able to contribute a more diverse pilot workforce, or I would say this can be another opportunities to contribute by advanced air mobility, where advanced air mobility able to generate more jobs opportunities to all around the world, where currently most of the pilots are male, so where this can be one of the initiatives that equally offer job to other than male, which is female. So as you can see from here, there are only under 5% of commercial pilots are women, where it can be generate more job opportunities to female, where like previously people are thinking that pilot are most of them are male. Yeah, so that's what I did. I'm putting two articles here. So this will be another advanced air mobility ecosystem, as where advanced air mobility is one of the new technologies, where it's like normal aviation related, where this advanced air mobility ecosystem involve many of like parties such as infrastructure development, MRO, regulators, and also lessons. So it will be generate more like job opportunity to others. So while the potential of advanced air mobility is high, there are three main challenges for advanced air mobility. The first one will be regulation. So as regulation in this, what I mean is like advanced air mobility is a new technology, where the certification is like different with normal aircraft. It's where normal aircraft is equipped with like the safety features, so they will be hard for advanced air mobility to implement in the market, where slowly and steadily the airspace management will also involve in the regulation part. The second will be safety and security, where the first one is electrification. So advanced air mobility is operated in city area, so the certification is important for the operator and also manufacturer itself to provide a strong certification, contribute by EASA or even local authorities to maintain the safety on the advanced air mobility operation. The second one will be citizen privacy. Citizen privacy will be important, as advanced air mobility will be flying in the low altitude, which like the citizen privacy is important in the operation of advanced air mobility. The third one will be infrastructure development, where the authority engagement is also important to provide land, like the space for the charging facilities, or even vertiports, which is similar like normal airport needed, especially in the city area. It's important for the engagement from various parties. So for the recommendation part, where I separate into three parts. The first one will be operational, which is green flying. So what I mean by green flying here is, so for the recommendation part, I have separated into three parts, which is the first one will be operational, which is green flying. Currently the fuel price is high, where like normal fuel price is also contribute much on the climate carbon emission, where green flying like operator can implementing other environment friendly aircraft such as electric aircraft, Airbus MOAT, hydrogen aircraft, or even sustainable aviation fuels. So the second part will be commercial, where government policy is also important for any of the operators or even manufacturer. So I would recommend countries to introduce tax-free policy, where government can offer tax-free for a particular period, where for the companies that are using green technology aircraft, where this can attract operator or even normal airline to implement or invest in the green technology aircraft. At the same time, this can be another initiative for the countries to contribute on the initiative or even program that launched by global authorities such as IATA, IQ, and UNESTRA. So for the last part will be employment. So I would say that enhanced technological skill is important for any kind of employees or even students, where it can be related with training and development. So training and development will be involved in the companies that provide training, like enhance the characteristic or even working culture, where this can attract or motivate people to working in the company. So the last one will be diversified syllabus, where like currently in the high school there is no aviation course. In order to contribute on the added value of the students, so maybe like government or even Ministry of Education can offer any kind of aviation courses for the student that are willing to study in the aviation industry or embark in the aviation industry. So it can be introduced, like attracting students to motivate them to enhance the quality of before they enter the aviation industry. So for the last one will be conclusion. So I would say in conclusion, the potential of aviation industry is high to contribute on the sustainable development. To facilitate the goals, all the stakeholders need to be working together in order to achieve the goals to reduce carbon emission, where we are living in the same earth or same all around the world. The environmental is important for us. Yeah. So that's all from me. Thank you.